In this video, I'll show you how to find your private key in Trust Wallet and what that actually means. First, open Trust Wallet and go to the Settings tab at the bottom. Tap Wallets. Here you'll see a list of your wallets, like Main Wallet 1. Find the wallet you want, then tap the three dots next to it. On the next screen, tap Show Secret Phrase / Show Recovery Phrase. Trust Wallet will warn you. Read it carefully and confirm. You'll now see your 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper, in order, and never share it with anyone. This phrase is basically the master private key for your entire Trust Wallet. Anyone who has it can take all your funds. Trust Wallet doesn't usually show single-address private keys inside the app. If you really need a raw private key, now you can import this recovery phrase into another advanced wallet that supports exporting individual keys. But only do that with software you fully trust. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.